What's up, guys? It is Coasters and Things here today, and I am at Fun Spot America Atlanta to check out the progress and the construction of ArieForce One. I'm going to Six Flags Over Georgia right after this, but I thought I'd just pop in here and check it out for myself and film a little construction update for you guys. So that was all the track and the supports in the parking lot. Yeah, I know, I touched a piece of track. I can say now that I've officially touched a piece of roller coaster track. Here's the front car of ArieForce One, or one of them anyway. It's so cool getting to finally see this thing in person. I wouldn't be surprised if that ride is topped off within the next week to week and a half. They are moving at a very fast pace. They made a lot of progress. I've been following their construction on their Instagram and also some YouTubers who have done construction updates like Fistful of Thrills. So yeah, I cannot wait to see this thing get built, guys. I don't think it'll open before I go off to Pennsylvania, so it may be August before I ride it.
I'm a